Hey everybody, it's Motorbike Mike. We are on the third day of our Project CR 250 barn find restoration. And before we get started here, I'd just like to thank a couple of people. One of the things about motorcycles, and especially the motocross community, is family. And by family, I don't necessarily mean the immediate family, but when you're part of the motocross community, other riders end up becoming family or like family. And the way that works is, you know, you're at the track on any given Saturday or Sunday and you're racing and you need something for your bike. You can always count on the fact that if you go next door, some buddy of yours or even somebody you don't know is going to help you out. And that's really what it's all about. It's a very, very tight-knit community, and I just want to give thanks to a couple of people that I've been riding with for years. I grew up with these guys, and first is Flegel. Vic actually stepped up and helped us with the forks, and we dropped him off, I think, Wednesday of last week, and he had them done for me on Friday. So thank you, Vic Flegel. And also Jim Lapaugh. He saw my Facebook post that I found this bike, and he sent me a personal message on Facebook and says, hey, I think I got a manual for that. And lo and behold, we have a 96 CR 250 manual. How in the heck he kept it all these years, I don't know, but it must have been just for this occasion. So thank you, Jim Lapaugh. And then one of my other moto brethren stepped up and gave me this brand new no-toil foam air filter kit. It's complete with cleaning solution, rim grease, and of course the foam filter oil, and that was from Ryno Weatherby. Thank you, Ryno. All right, getting back to the bike. I don't know, we're probably halfway through this, but we got all the parts now. Everything is here. Everything's pretty much clean. We just have to reinstall them on the bike. And I have my loyal helper here, CODY CHESNEY 150, and we're going to get this thing done. So next time you see us, hopefully there's a complete bike sitting right here. Talk to you soon.